Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back again with another video. So I'm back today with another client. I hope you guys don't miss me too much, okay? But I'll be back with my own videos, okay? So today I'm with this beautiful cute baby girl here with me. So first of all, this my baby girl came in and she was like, I have just 15 minutes to do this makeup. And I'm like, what? Just calm down, okay? Calm down. So right now I'm just grooming her brows. I have like so many brow tutorials on my channel, guys, so I will not even waste your time, okay? I will not even waste your time. So I'm just going to do everything fast. I'm going to leave everything I used down in the description box below, guys, so do not worry your heads, okay? See you guys.
Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you.
So basically in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cover acne or dark spots, because you guys see she has dark spots on her face. So I'm going ahead to prime her face with the Pond's primer.
Make she calm down. Bad man na me they run town. One time, say she no want waste time. Bad man me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man me na give her the pipeline. Give me the vibe. Say she wanna roll, moving all her body.
Then after putting the primer all over her face, I'm just going to go right ahead with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector, you know, to just correct all the dark spots that she has on her face. So as you see me doing, I'm just putting that on the spots that she has and using my small blending brush to just blend that in. And she had a little bit of dark circles too. I'm just going to cover that up. All right. So after blending all of that, I'm going into my Note foundation. I'm going to leave the shade in the description box down below, okay? So guys, I used my orange corrector because this foundation is not a full coverage foundation. It's kind of like a lightweight foundation, like it doesn't really cover the coverage is not lit, like it's not really like full coverage, okay? It's just the coverage is very minimal. Yes, that is the word. All right, so that's why I went ahead to use my orange corrector. So I'm using my random foundation brush to just blend in that foundation into her skin.
Make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. I'ma do it like nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Like nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eye.
Then guys, I guess that's pretty it. You guys already know the other steps, I'm just going to blend with my beauty blender. And then for concealer, I'll go ahead to apply some concealer on the top of her eyes. I'm using my EYEBROW concealer in the shade Cool Tan. All right, and then to highlight her face, I'm using my ZKL in neutral and EYEBROW in Cool Tan to highlight her face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything. Okay, you guys just watch.
Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Ooh. She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean the run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me I give her the pipeline. Me not the vibe. Say she wanna roll, moving on her body. Say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor. People them applause, singing and rapping. I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. I'ma give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on you. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know. Listen, bad man, on the instrument. I feel it there one time. Yeah.
So right now I'm using my white Sasha buttercup setting powder to just set all the areas that I highlighted. Guys, I really didn't feel like doing any liquid contour on her face because I don't know, but I wasn't really feeling like doing it. But I'm going to do the powder contour though. So to wipe the excess powder that she has on her face, I'm using my ZKL cosmetics powder palette. I'm just going to show you guys in a bit. So that's the palette I'm holding right there. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys, but I guess you guys are seeing it. And I'm going to take the lighter shade of brown there, as you see me doing it right now, to just you know, contour her face just a little bit. I didn't really want like too much contour. I just wanted something that was just going to bring out her face, if you guys understand what I mean. Like, yeah, okay.
You bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed.
Then for her eyes, I'm going to take that brown color and just place that all over her eyes. Okay, then after doing that, I'm going into my ZKL eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to, well, I'm not cutting any crease, guys. I don't know, I'm not feeling like cutting crease these days. I don't understand why. I'm just doing I don't know how to call it there, but guys, please just watch and understand what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just setting my eyeshadow base. Okay, then after that, I'm going into this eyeshadow palette. I'll leave the name in the description box. And I'm going into this yellow shimmer, and I'm just going to place that where I have my eyeshadow base. and after that I'm just going to blend everything I have together.
She don't wanna go, bad man's on the floor. People them applause, singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things.
So I'm going back into the brown color that I had on her eyes before, and I'm just going to blend in all the hash lines that I have. Oh my god, the eyes are popping, man. Then I'm going into my karate liner to just line her eyes. Then after that I'll use my Million Pauline gel liner to line her waterline.
Put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on you. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl,
It's
I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know. Bad man,
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and we never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not.
So right now I'm just dusting off the excess powder that she has under her eyes.
Nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want you.
Then for lashes I'm using these 3D lashes. I'll leave the name in the description box, guys. Okay, and I'm just going to pop that onto her eyes. What? Onto her eyes? On top of her real lashes, yeah.
Down. Bad man, I mean they run down. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run down. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Give me the vibe. Say she wanna roll, moving on.
So going right ahead into her lips, I'm using this brown lipstick from Huda Beauty. I'm just lining her lips using my lip blending brush. Okay, then after that I'll be using my light pink shade from the Huda Beauty lipstick as well, and I'm just going to blend in those two colors together as you see me doing right now. Then after doing that I'll go into this NYX brown gloss. Guys, I did so much on her lips. I'm going to the NYX brown gloss and I'm just going to put that onto her lips. Then I'm going to blend everything together. Then I'll go into my ZK Cosmetics neutral concealer in the whitest shade because I just wanted her lips to be bright because I feel like they were kind of dark. Yes, so I'm just going to put that there and blend everything together. Yeah.
bad man on the instrument. I feel it there one time. Let go.
Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
So for blush, I'm going into my Juvia's Place palette and I'm using this orange color to just give the makeup some warmth. She's admiring her face. Then for bronzer, I'm going into my Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm using this pinky like shade, and after that I'm going into my classic makeup spray and I'm just going to spray her face. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Nice body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no want this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make